In the last hour, KPRC2 showed you new numbers when it comes to whittling down a massive backlog of cases in the Harris County criminal justice system.
The district attorney's office shared some numbers very specific to murder and capital murder cases. But as prosecutors talked about the progress, they also talked of hurdles that remain. KPRC2 investigator Robert Arnold has been following these efforts to bring the backlog for years, and he joins us live now from downtown with much more information. Robert?
Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg says it takes an average of 3.7 years for a murder or capital murder case to be resolved in the court. She says that's too long, and her office is making progress in bringing that number down. But she says there are outside factors impacting this work.
The faster we resolve our serious cases, we'll improve public safety, but we'll also aid victims' families.
Since the creation of a specialized homicide division in the DA's office and a new state law giving murder cases priority when it comes to scheduling trials, the number of these cases reaching a conclusion is going up. Last year, 271 murder and capital murder defendants were sent to prison, an increase over previous years.
I know that some of those are 6-year-old cases. I know that some of them are just short of 3 years. So we see, I'd say, an average of almost 4 years in a case.
But District Attorney Kim Ogg says a backlog in the city's crime lab is making it difficult to further increase the number of these cases seeing resolution.
The city lab is still 14 months behind on ballistics, 9 months behind on rape kits, and limiting DNA to somewhere between 5 and 20 cases each month. Without the evidence, really neither side can move forward. So that's the greatest obstacle.
Ogg says her office is now speaking with Mayor John Whitmire about the possibility of outsourcing some of this work. What you don't see in these numbers, though, is the burden on victims' families. Leticia Ibarra waited 3 years before her daughter's killer was sentenced to 40 years in prison.
Every court date was a time of nightmares, of fears. I have to face this person. I have to look at the hands that took my daughter's life so brutally.
Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg says another factor is the number of murder and capital murder cases. While that rate is going down, she says there's still a lot of these cases, and cited there's already been 38 murders this year so far countywide. And those cases will eventually be added to a backlog of 1,700 murder and capital murder cases. Reporting live from downtown, Robert Arnold, KPRC 2 News.
All right, Robert, thank you.